everybody, it's your girl Jordan and I'm back again with another video. And this video is a cinnamon bun video, but not the only cinnamon bun video that you know that you see. Okay?
Don't follow these instructions. Go watch a real person make these. This is an experiment.
Oh, what you see in the background is my auntie, you get what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? But this is my great aunt. You know, she's the coolest great aunt in the world, I'm not gonna lie. She
calling me old, man.
Just gotta, it's the stunt. It's just the stunt. That's all I gotta say. This video is about to be real comical, real funny. We don't gotta take anything of this seriously, but the ingredients, cause what I'm working here is what I'm working here. Okay, my magic ain't all that. I'm not a baker, but my aunt know how to cook. This video, she's gonna be our instructor. I'm going to be doing the instructions if I know how to follow instructions. So that is the premise of the video. So before we get started, we're gonna subscribe. We're gonna like the video, cause you get what I'm saying. This is a teamwork, double work.
So how I start things off, I kind of open the container of rolls.
Okay.
And place them in the cast iron. But you know, I like to butter my cast iron, so I take a slither of the butter. Yeah. Take like half of that. Take like half of one of those.
I have to use my hands.
How else are you gonna smear it all over the bottom of the frying pan? You can get a napkin if you like, prissy girl.
No, I'm like, I guess I gotta.
Now you need to open this.
Okay.
Oh, congratulations, Jordan.
The best part.
And don't put them really close to the edge, but kind of like make sure it's spaced enough for 5 because they're going to expand in the oven.
Look how pretty these are.
And you really haven't done anything yet. Next step, you're going to prep the dressing, I guess you would call, or like the, I don't know, the brown sugar. It's brown sugar, butter, and vanilla. But you don't have to use that because I know you don't really care for vanilla.
Yeah, not that vanilla that we
right, you don't really care for it. So you don't have to use it. You can use just the butter and the brown sugar. So you're going to need the butter. And so you're going to use all but that much. So you can see them.
Ooh. And then that's it.
And this is room temp. You're still gonna have to put it in the microwave for a little bit, okay?
Okay. So we're gonna put it in the microwave for how many seconds?
Let's do 5, 10 at a time because we don't want it liquefied per se.
Okay. But
we want it to mesh well and kind of melt with the brown sugar.
Hold up.
Yep, very soft, right? Not liquefied, but soft. Now you want to take a cup full of brown sugar. Stick your scoop in.
Oh, okay, period.
Scoop down in there. And that way you pack. That way you pack all of it in there. Make sure, look at it and see if it's full all the way. Is it even full on the side at the top? Yeah, wait.
No,
because you want to pack it all the way down. You want to pack it tight.
No, it's not.
Alright, so you need to fill it all the way up. Very good, Jordan.
Alright.
And this helps you make measurements, right?
Okay.
So, is that too much?
No.
That's like a half a spoon, maybe?
Yeah, that's like half a spoon.
Okay. Of the cinnamon buns.
Okay, so pour and cover the cinnamon buns.
Yes, it doesn't have to be a heavy pour. It's going to be thick because it's cold. I promise, guys, this is good. It's not expired at all. It's just cold.
So as a brick boys got it all night. These lame ass niggas ain't got no fight. Kicking my door
We're gonna prepare the icing. Prepare the icing. Remember this extra piece, y'all? I do too.
Then you want to put, you scoop all of it out. Make sure you get every last drop.
Y'all, you remember this little?
Every last drop.
Cheese, I forgot. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm like this.
Now what I use, depending on people's flavoring, I only use a half a pack of it for 5. Yeah, so just a half. Whatever you think a half is, whatever your eye tell you a half is. You want help?
No, I just want to. I know it's a way to open it. It's been a minute since I've done it.
Is that the scissors? Just cut a little nip. You don't want it to explode everywhere. Oh, that's a different way of opening it. Okay.
What should you gonna say?
You just only need half anyway, so right there where it broke.
Okay.
Ooh. All right. Here you go. Everywhere for a while. So we don't want the whole cup. We don't want the whole cup, remember, we only want half, because that's a cup. Let me see. Maybe a little bit more. A little bit more. Oh.
You tried.
You tried.
You tried.
It could be worse though. Let me see. You see you flatten it out a little bit? You good with that? Is that gonna be sweet enough for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Because that's all like a perspective thing. Like how sweet is sweet to you.
Yeah.
You can throw it in the sink now, you're done.
So y'all, we using this Cinnabon. See, match on match on match. I only get the.
Okay, wait. Don't be heavy-handed, because once you get too much, you can't go back.
I know it's supposed to be like a small drop.
Let's. Okay. Good with this amount. Are you good with it?
Mm-hmm. I'm doing the rest of the video, kind of sort of. You see that steam, you see them cinnamon buns. Y'all remember the icing that we had, right? So we're gonna swirl this back up again. Try, ooh, shit. Try to get the damn icings back, and we're gonna pour these bad boys on. And that's it, y'all. That is literally it of the video. I hope you liked this video. Thumbs up if you didn't think I did a good job, and subscribe if you think I did a good job, because baby, I think I did a good job, period. So definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I'll see you guys soon.